let's learn about bases. So bases, simply put, are a way that you can structure and organize your content. You can think of a base like the top folder in a folder structure. Bases, you will find them on the left-hand side of your Supered account. When you create your Supered account, first log in, you will have a Supered base automatically created in there, but you can create as many bases as you'd like. So when you are in your Supered account, over on this left-hand side here, we have bases. We have a couple of actions that you can do with bases. So we're going to click on the word bases. It's going to pop me into this window here, which will list out all of the bases that I have. To create a base, you'll come in, hit create base, which we will talk about in a later video of creating a base and best practices around creating bases. But as you create them, get more of them, you are able to add in sections to keep yourself organized. So I hit add section. We see that we had one come in as unnamed. We can name it and make sure that each section has its own name and what bases you want to put in there. So for example, if you have multiple teams using your Supered account, you can create a section for each team and put their relative bases in each section. It just is a way to keep yourself just a little bit more organized. You're also able to star your favorite bases. When you star a base, it will show up at the very top of your base list. So happy creating.